All right, what's up everybody? Today's a good day because number one, our new Outsiders pullovers are here, the crew neck, very nice, 50-50 cotton polyester, I believe. Let me check, I'll be right back. Like I said, 50-50 cotton polyester, so really true to size actually. This is a large. Some stuff I can wear extra large, but like it's true to size. Seriously, this fits like a normal large, so it's really nice. Need to back up some. But the real reason for today's video for this, which might be a separate video, but today we got a good package from bada boom bada bing, Renegade. We got the AP1 carbon bezel, or boot delete, sorry. I guess bezel, I guess you'd call it that, I don't know. It's a boot delete. Beautiful, as usual. Gotta be very careful because it is thin. But we're gonna see. I got the console out because I'm doing the, the shift, short shifter kit anyways in the car right now. So I'm gonna remove these here. You got 2 screws. I'm gonna remove these and pop this out, and then you're able to pull the boot off. And then I'm gonna see how I want to mount this. So, all right, actually, you have a lot more to do. So I took, where'd they go? Took this one off, but I think I have to pop out this whole bezel, which is actually on his website. Thanks. But I gotta take all this off. Probably have to undo these plastic welds here. And then this will pop out. So that is what we have to do. So, yeah. So actually took all this out. Have to drill these 2 pieces out carefully so you don't go through your bezel. But yeah, we'll do that now. Before I get ahead of myself, took out the cup holder as well, which is 2 screws here. Those are out. And then now I have these tabs. Where am I at? These tabs right here, and you're pushing down, we're just popping this out. Got tabs across here as well. There. Go. These front ones are pretty tight, so. Back pop. now we can slide the boot off of these here. So now what I'm going to do is dab some epoxy in these corners here to get this to hold in place. So we'll do that because it's pretty snug in here now as it is, but this right here will help. All right, so here we go. It's got, well, there we go. Spot here, spot here, spot here, spot here, spot here, and spot here. And I'm using the weight of these to just hold it in place and let it cure and dry for a little while. So, all right, this is in here nicely. Got to clean up some of the epoxy that bled through on the front here, which I'm not too worried about, but we'll do that. And then, but we're going to go ahead and reinstall everything, and then I'll show you that and show you how it looks. So I have it in. There we go. All is good. I actually didn't have to take this out. You don't have to at all because of the clips. You can get to them from down in here without taking this out. But I also was trying to see if I could fix this because it doesn't spring by itself nicely. Like when you don't do it, you have to kind of slide it back. So, but anyway, so far so good. Just putting everything back together now. All right, I have to lean back, so I know it's hard to see me. Got this back in here. We're gonna slide this back on. I have a video I'm doing. I have a short shifter as well I'm putting in, but I want to install this back in the car here, like so. You slide it down over your handbrake, which of course you cannot see because I can't film and do this at the same time, which is sad. Where is the plug in here? Of course, here we go. Sorry guys. Can't see. There it goes. All right. Let me show you. Plug it back in. Got it slid down. Here we go. And then it'll pop back in these tabs. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. Of course, not really. Give me 1 second and I'll show you. Here's the finished product. Looks very nice. I'm trying to get some light here. The only thing is about the boot. I don't know. I might cut one of the rings off. Maybe figure out. I don't know. I'll figure that out. But I really like it. And then this is with the actual short shifter. Very short. I mean, it's really nice paired with the Renegade shift knob. So feels great. This looks great too. Once you clip this piece back in and together and stuff, it really fits in this really nice. So thank you, Renegade, for a great product. I'm gonna try and cut this video down as short as possible for you guys. It's really, I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory, and I hope I explained it well enough for everyone to follow along. So yeah, my custom Outsiders, we could say Outsiders phone holder right there. Pretty neat. Let me know if you guys want one. We can make them for you. Same way as Modrify, mounts the same way, everything. So yeah. either way, a little bit of plug, but yeah. So let me see. Appreciate you guys watching. And yeah, I'm just gonna keep trying to do little stuff here and there for the page, for YouTube and stuff like that. So appreciate it.